Want to hear something absolutely insane? Over 402 million terabytes of data are created every single day. Even crazier, 90% of the world's data has been generated in just the past 2 years. Now, if you stick around until the end of this video, we will show you exactly how you can cash in on this massive data craze and make a great residual income from home. Here's another number for you, 5.81 billion. That's how many unique mobile phone users were recorded as of April 2025. That's 70.7% of the global population, all creating and storing data daily. Half of it in the cloud. And don't just take it from me. Here's what author and entrepreneur Gary Vaynerchuk had to say.
In the next decade, with the explosion of AI, the only safe business is intellectual property.
Your memories, your precious data, is your intellectual property. How would you like to get paid for protecting your valued photos, memories, and documents? Then, listen on to learn about this great home-based business opportunity, the kind where you can make money even while you sleep. Think about it. What's the one thing everybody has, and everybody protects like gold? Their data. Yup, their photos, documents, videos, memes, you name it. And get this, data has become the modern-day oil for both personal and business use alike. But don't just take my word for it. According to Statista.com, in the span of just 13 years, the amount of data generated worldwide has skyrocketed by a staggering 74 times. That's why we created Got Backup. It's your ultra-secure personal cloud storage. Big enough for you and 5 family members across unlimited devices. We're talking 6 terabytes of space. That's almost 3 times more than what the other guys offer. And guess what? It's only $9.97 a month. That's less than a margarita nowadays, am I right? And it gets even better. Remember I mentioned a home-based business? For just $20 a year, you can become a certified Got Backup reseller, which means you could earn up to 75% residual income every time someone signs up for this amazing cloud service through your link. And the best part, no chasing family and friends. It practically sells itself. Just share this very video you're watching right now and let our AI do all the heavy lifting. You're not just promoting an amazing cloud storage service, you're helping people protect their most treasured memories. Not computer savvy? No problem. The Got Backup software has been engineered for complete beginners and tech experts alike. Here's how it works. 1. Sign up as a Got Backup reseller for $9.97 a month and a $20 annual reseller fee. 2. Download the software on your computer or mobile device and simply click Backup. The software then does the rest behind the scenes. Once you see how smooth it is, you'll be excited to share it. 3. Send people this exact video you are watching now. They sign up. You get paid up to 75% in residual income. And that's it. Let me repeat that because this is wild. Dropbox pays you nothing. Google Drive? Zip. iCloud? Nada. OneDrive? Are you kidding? Got Backup up to 75% when somebody signs up through your link. So what are you waiting for? Fill out the form on the right to lock in your free position in our power line. Start your Got Backup journey. Then go grab your passport, book that beach trip, and order that $9.97 margarita. You earned it.